Hey, my name is Tulela Hardy. So I wanted to come on in. I wanted to speak with you guys a little bit, heart to heart. You know, when I was introduced to this business, I was homeless. I made a couple of excuses, the reason why I was unable to invest. I was in between blessings at the time. However, I seen a good friend of mine that said she was retiring at the age of 33 from this business. And I chose to jump on board. Coach put me in, is what I said. So after that, what happened was I am now able to be at the beach where I am now in the middle of the day on a Monday, time and financial free from this opportunity. I invested for myself and for my family. So I was able to pay off $9,000 in debt. We have a beautiful 3-bedroom place, fully furnished. We have a car that is paid for, all from this opportunity. So I encourage you guys, make that first step in changing your life. As Mr. Warren Buffett said, do not rely on a single source of income. You must invest to create that second source. Until then, I'm about to party on at the beach. Party on.